Hi everyone, I'm Janell Geason, Global Artistic Director for Makeup, and I'm here today to show you how to create a perfect, precise lip. If their lips appear dry, then we're going to use our Pure Nourishment Lip Treatment. Then I'm going to go in there and prime it with our Pure Nourishment Lip Primer. And what you want to do is fill in the entire lip. This is going to create some longevity. So once you've done that, we're moving on to our Pure Nourishment Lip Liner. Let's start out those outer edges, moving our way inwards. And once you've got to this point, what you want to do is take a smudger brush and just gently diffuse those outer edges. Fill in your entire lip with your lip liner. And once again, you're just taking your smudger brush and blending that out. All right, so before we move on to lip color, what I like to do is just kind of clean up the edges. And a little trick is just to use a little concealer. You can also use moisturizer around those edges with a pointy Q-tip and just clean up where needed and really perfect that. Now she is ready for her lip color. So now I'm going to apply our Pure Nourishment Lipstick. What I love about this formula, it's super nourishing, really hydrating on the lips, of course, but it also is really long lasting. I also love that it has an amazing aroma of certified organic peppermint, ginger, and vanilla. And there you have it, a perfect, precise lip in these easy steps.